Hello everyone, hope you're having a great day. So this is the hardware I'll be using for my new 8 GPU mining rig. Just waiting for the frame. Be quiet, 1500, beautiful power supply. Build quality is amazing. Best GPU I've ever purchased. 8 3060 Ti's, mainly founders editions. Couple of gigabyte ones. Got your standard ASROCK H110 Pro risers, of course. Just waiting on that beautiful Italian frame to arrive. I'm sure there'll have some luxury funds lying about for it as well. Look forward to sharing my journey. See you soon. Have a great day, guys.